Show how the following conversions may be brought about. Benzene should be converted to 3-nitrobenzoic acid. Conversion of benzene to 3-nitrobenzoic acid. So let us see. First take benzene. Treat with CH3COCl and anhydrous aluminum chloride, means Friedel-Crafts acylation. You will get a ketone here, COCH3. This compound, acetophenone. Acetophenone will give iodoform reaction. So you treat with sodium hydroxide and halosine followed by hydrolysis. So what will I get? Benzoic acid. Okay. Then this benzoic acid treat with nitrating mixture. A mixture of nitric acid and sulfuric acid. COOH group is meta-directing group. So you will get meta-nitrobenzoic acid. Again I am repeating. Take benzene, treat with acyl chloride and anhydrous aluminum chloride. Acetyl chloride and anhydrous aluminum chloride. Friedel-Crafts acylation. We will get acetophenone. Acetophenone gives iodoform reaction. So cleave this bond, convert this to iodoform, and the other side will get carboxylic acid. So you will get benzoic acid here. Benzoic acid and nitration will give meta-nitrobenzoic acid. This is first conversion. Let us see second conversion. In second conversion, 2-nitroaniline should be converted to 2-nitrobenzoic acid. In the second conversion, 2-nitroaniline should be converted to 2-nitrobenzoic acid. Now let us see how it is possible. Take NO2, NH2. This compound is treated with nitrous acid, means diazotization. NH2 group will be converted to diazonium salt, means you will get NO2 here, N2 plus and Cl minus. Okay. Then Sandmeyer's reaction. Treat with copper cyanide. Benzene diazonium chloride will be converted to cyanide. N2 plus Cl minus will be converted to Cn. Then Cn treat with followed by hydrolysis. What will you get? Cn will be converted to COOH. NO2 here, COOH here. Means 2-nitrobenzoic acid. Again I am repeating for the second one. How to convert 2-nitroaniline to 2-nitrobenzoic acid. So orthonitroaniline to orthonitrobenzoic acid. So first aniline on diazotization. You treat with nitrous acid. You will get benzene diazonium chloride with NO2 in the ortho position. Now treat with copper cyanide. Sandmeyer's reaction. So Cn and diazonium chloride N2 plus and Cl minus will be replaced by Cn. Followed by hydrolysis, you will get 2-nitro